create a 5-minute heart-touching 2D cartoon animation about thalassemia awareness for YouTube. The story begins in a small South Asian home with a 6-year-old boy named Ali, who is pale, weak, and often tired. His mother looks worried and prays for him, while his father feels helpless. Use bright, soft colors with smooth outlines, Pixar-inspired 2D cartoon style, making it child-friendly and emotionally engaging. Transition to a hospital scene where a friendly cartoon doctor explains thalassemia. Use animated visuals, small, misshapen red blood cells, DNA strands, and simple graphics showing that thalassemia is genetic. Thalassemia requires regular blood transfusions to manage the condition effectively. Introduce superhero-style animated red blood cells that represent blood donations, saving the child's life. Add educational pop-ups. Thalassemia is inherited. Regular blood saves lives, and one donation can save a child. Use simple, easy-to-read fonts for the educational pop-ups to ensure clarity. Show Ali receiving blood transfusions, slowly gaining energy and color in his cheeks. Include emotional reactions from parents, smiling, hugging, feeling relieved as they see Ali improving. Show the hospital staff as caring and supportive, creating a warm environment for Ali. Include short scenes highlighting the importance of donors happily giving blood. Animated hearts float around and superhero blood cells fly to the child, symbolizing hope. Add fun, hopeful touches. Ali smiling, playing with friends, and going to school after treatment. Throughout, maintain a hopeful and inspiring tone to uplift the audience. Use soft, emotional background music cues to emphasize the story's emotional moments. Include captions for accessibility and voiceover narration in simple Urdu or Roman Urdu. This ensures everyone can understand the important message being conveyed. Make the animation vertical friendly, 9:16 for YouTube Shorts, but adaptable to full screen 16:9. End the video with a strong motivational message. Your one blood donation can save a child's life. Become a hero for a thalassemia child today and make a difference. Visuals: Ali, happy, healthy, playing, parents smiling, and animated superhero blood cells flying across the screen. Include gentle light rays, floating hearts, and happy faces to reinforce hope and positivity. Ensure smooth scene transitions, expressive character animations, and emotional storytelling throughout. Highlight blood donation, care, and hope for children with thalassemia in every scene. Optimize timing to fit a 5-minute video with around 3 to 4 key story beats: introduction, problem, solution, hope, impact, and final call to action.